Hey there and welcome to this video. My name is Pete, and if you've ever wondered how AI can give your business a real boost, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one specific industry example of how AI Receptionist can help you capture every call and every opportunity while your team is busy or outside your business hours. And if you would like a free demo for your business, just check out the link in the description and connect with us. All right, let's dive in.
Hi, Electric. How can I help you today?
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What can I assist you with today?
Okay, I need someone to come and could check my garage door, please. The breaker is tripping each time I try to open my garage door.
Got it. That sounds frustrating. Let's get this sorted for you. Could you tell me if this is at your home or a commercial property?
At my home?
All right, thanks for confirming. Could you share the full address where the work is needed? I'll make sure we have all the details for the electrician.
The address is Ontario.
Got it. Let me confirm. Did I get that right?
Yes, that is correct.
Perfect, thank you. May I have your name so our team can personalize the callback?
My name is...
Thanks. Is the number you're calling from the best one for a callback?
Yes.
All right. So you're dealing with a breaker that trips whenever you try to open your garage door, and the address...
Yes,
Great.
you did.
Our team will prioritize this and get back to you shortly. You're in good hands. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Right now today, yeah.
All right. We'll have someone reach out to you soon to assist with the breaker issue. Take care and have a great day.
All right, thanks so much for watching. If this sounds like something you would love to implement into your business, whether to handle calls, support your customers on your website, or just make sure you never miss an opportunity even when you're busy, then give it a try. You can start a 14-day trial below or let us fully build and implement it for you. If you didn't see your industry covered in this particular video, check out some of the additional videos in our description or submit a quick request for a free demo and we'll tailor it just for you. We've seen some incredible results across many industries, and we're excited to help you capture every opportunity. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.